Yo, what's going on, everybody? So in this video, we're going to be talking about primarily Nasdaq, and we're going to be talking a little bit about silver. Let's start with silver because that's the instrument we were analyzing last week. All right, technically this looks perfect. All right, um, let's go to the daily so you guys can see what I mean by perfect. Um, so we're in. Let's see if it loads. Uh, all right, so on a daily, we can see that we are we touch this um, monthly supply zone. We also touched this weekly supply zone also. So we were inside a monthly and weekly supply zone. And look at this. We created a beautiful double top and a head and shoulders, which are obviously reversal patterns. All right. So now, what I can expect is that price might want to come back to this daily supply zone right here. Let me um, put it as blue so it can be identified as daily. So that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for price to come back to the zone uh, to short this market. And also, and what's more important is that I'm waiting for users and producers to be a little bit more bearish. As you guys can see, they started buying, so it's not ideal to start buying right now because I mean shorting right now because they started buying. And also retailers started to become more bearish. So I'm expecting next week for this to be up to be um on top of this line, and then I'm expecting next week for users and producers to be below this line, to be this bearish. All right, so that's all for silver right now. Not interested at the moment. What I'm interested is the Nasdaq, and it's because simply let's go to weekly so you guys can see. So weekly we have beautiful this beautiful this rally base drop. All right, so this white rectangle is represented by this weekly rally base drop. That's our supply zone, and on the daily we can see that there's a drop, then a base, and then another drop. So currently price touched this daily supply zone and it reacted off of it. But I'm expecting price to continue to go a little bit up, touch that weekly supply zone, and then we're good to short. We're good to short. Um, so fundamentally, we're still, that's why I haven't shorted yet either, because we're not overvalued against interest rates. All right. What I'm only uh what only matters here is the blue line, which are represented by, which is basically the interest rates. So when interest rates become overvalued, all right, uh, when the Nasdaq or any equity indices or stock becomes overvalued against interest rates, it's a good time to short. I mean, I don't like shorting equity indices because they're obviously almost all the time um, going up. But if they become overvalued against interest rates, I'm interested in shorting because of the election cycle. All right, so there's there's 4 years in the election cycle. The first year is the post-election. then the second year is the midterm, the third year is the pre-election, and the fourth year is the election year. Currently, we're in the election year, so uh, so we have to study what happens during election years. And the past data, it shows that on October, there's a really good opportunity to short because there's a dip before the rally, the election rally, which starts in November. So that's why here we can see that in history, there's a top between September 14th and September 21st, and then we see a bottom around the 25th or the 29th of October. Uh, so the basically the last days of October. So we can expect that October should be a bearish month. Currently, we see that it has been a bullish month so far, but let's see if price can give us a quick push to the upside and then continue to the downside. We have left literally half of the month. So maybe it could be this week. It prints us a bullish candle and touches, and then the following weeks should be bearish. So uh, let's see what happens. So that's what I'm currently waiting for. I'm waiting for price to continue to go up, touch this weekly demand supply zone, give us a reversal price action in the lower time frames, and then we're shorting the market. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments. See you guys.